This GiveIt Forms video is for Donorfy. Please be aware this demo may include features outside of your band. Earlier videos in this sequence showed you how to embed the form you've built into the website that you want to display it on. This is where you would do that from the embed modal. Here's the form snippet. But there's something else you can embed on your website too, a powerful addition to the donation field that you have in your form called doorways. To configure a doorway, open up the options panel for your donation compound field and scroll all the way to the bottom, where you'll find the create doorway option as the last entry down here. The purpose of a doorway is to initiate the donation flow from another page of your website. Let me show you an example of what that looks like. This is the donation page for the Sunset National Park website. If you scroll down, you'll find that where the GiveIt form has been embedded, it's here. It contains a totalizer, which is somewhat redundant in this context, a donation field, the cover our costs, gift aid. It's the full form. But with a doorway, it's possible to initiate this flow from elsewhere on the website, and indeed that's what Sunset National Park have done. From their homepage, they've introduced a doorway. Underneath their opening times, there's this row. The doorway to that donation flow begins here. So already we've got a minified donation context. If I, for example, were to be making a monthly £40 donation, and I hit the continue button now, I am automatically redirected to the donation page, carrying through that monthly collection frequency and that £40 adjustment, and the form is primed to take that through as the total. So the power of doorways is that your donation flows can begin where incentivization is already occurring. The homepage is a good place to start. Perhaps you've got an impact page, perhaps you've got a particular appeal, perhaps you've got a user story or a story about how your cause has helped a particular individual or animal or whatever it might be. Where the moment is right and the generosity is peaked, a doorway is a good thing to introduce to the page. So back to configuring the doorway, it's as simple as this. If you've selected your doorway to a URL, is the choice you want to make. In this field here, you put the URL of the page where the complete form is going to be, i.e. where's the doorway going to be leading to. So in the case of Sunset National Park a moment ago, in here I'd be typing the donation page address. It's possible to create a doorway for the very same page that your donation form lives on as well. This second checkbox is how you do that. This way, at the top of the page, you might have a minified donation control against the initial introductory text or blurb about the appeal or cause in question. And then when you click that continue button, rather than being redirected to a separate URL, you're redirected down or auto-scrolled down to the embedded GiveIt Forms element. And this is the unique ID for that element. This automatically populates into here at the click of this checkbox. An example of a same page doorway is here. This is the minified donation control at the top of the page. Let's imagine I want to give a one-off donation of a value not specified there, £54. When I hit the donate button now, I'm automatically dragged down to where the form begins, and that context is taken with it. It's a £54 custom donation, and the total is already primed for that amount. So once you've decided which style of doorway it is you're going to be using, click the done button to commit the save. Doesn't hurt to save the form as well. And then have another look, a fresh look at the embed modal that we saw before. It will automatically be on the form tab to embed the final form, but now we've got a doorway. So on that tab, you'll get a separate doorway snippet that you can copy to your clipboard. And just as before, find the area in your code where you want to place your embedded doorway and paste from clipboard. That snippet will arrive there. Or if the CMS you're working in has HTML, custom code block or similar module or widget to drop in, that'll be the place where you would paste the same snippet code instead.